So it's been a spectacular week for gold, topping that psychological milestone of $1,500 an ounce. Silver too is on the march and stands at its highest level since Silver Thursday in 1980, the day when the billionaire Hunt brothers' attempt to corner the world market imploded. Demand for precious metals as part of an investment strategy has been growing rapidly in these uncertain times, as money printing or quantitative easing and the threat of inflation fosters a growing sense of unease. Here's Emily Stewart.
Worried investors are pouring their money into gold.
Uncertainty is the friend of gold.
The gold price topped the $1,500 an ounce mark this week.
Gold and silver aren't necessarily going up. It's the inverse. Currencies are losing value.
Dr Surbiton says unrest in the Middle East, economic woes in Europe and this week's decision by the S&P to downgrade the US's credit outlook have strengthened the gold price.
Something physical is very human, and that seems to always attract people. Gold is a very, very small amount of the whole currency and monetary financial system. But when things are tough, gold is always the one that comes to the fore.
But Matt Khalil says the rush on gold this week was down to Greece announcing its economic restructure.
In other words, a mini bankruptcy. That's what is driving gold up. On that day, gold went up in all currencies.
Gold may be breaking records in US dollars, but it isn't reaching record highs in Australian dollars.
Currencies and countries that are financially sound are not doing so well in terms of gold. Gold is doing very well in those currencies which are perceived to have problems with their debts or their currency value.
Opinion is sharply divided as to whether there's a gold bubble. Matt Khalil can only see the price going higher.
Our view for quite a while has been gold will appreciate between 5 and 15% per year until governments in America and Europe get their debts under control.
Silver is known to some as the poor man's gold, but the price of silver is charging ahead, today reaching a 31-year high. Like gold, opinion on silver is divided. Many think silver is looking pricey and could soon see a correction.